Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy crochet handbag designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see. Stylish designs, stylish ideas, beautiful patterns, knitted patterns. Easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and stylish crochet handbag designs. Flower patterns, knitted patterns, easy patterns you can see in this my video. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet handbag designs, beautiful clutch patterns, knitted patterns, easy patterns. Most beautiful, most trendy crochet handbag designs and ideas you can see. Every design is beautiful, different and trendy one another. Top trendy designing ideas you can see. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet handbags and clutch patterns if you know crochet work. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet handbags, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can easily carry, you can easily move with beautiful and stylish crochet handbag designs. Save your objects with beautiful and stylish crochet handbags and clutch patterns. Much beautiful, much trendy designing ideas.